In the last video, we started our rim-to-rim hike through the Grand Canyon. Day one was difficult,
Almost passed out.
but the views were spectacular. After almost 12 hours of hiking, of course we struggled to get our beds to inflate. Oh, and I'm Donnie. Subscribe and stick
Pull out
around.
a dryer sheet out of your bra.
Anything that you don't need, like that tent and this whole, we offer $10, and she's gonna carry 30 pounds of their stuff.
So it's 8 a.m. on Tuesday morning. We just finished packing up the tents and everything. Going to the bathroom to attempt to wash myself. So there's that. I'm so tired. Actually, I'm not like mentally tired. I slept pretty well, but my body feels like it's gonna collapse. We have 9 miles today. We're about to head out. 4,500 feet in elevation, 9 miles, and a lot of hours in heat. You ready, Chalet? I'm ready! Karen, are you ready to go?
I'm ready.
I'm probably burned.
2 peas in a pod. Mother and I.
Yes.
Ready.
I'm ready for a Dr. Pepper.
Exhausted and sore, but excited as we head down the trail for the day. Today we are tackling the Bright Angel Trail, which is the most popular trail at the South Rim. The trail starts off at the Bright Angel Suspension Bridge, which takes you across the Colorado River. This is where we were supposed to bathe last night, but got to camp too late to make it here.
Too much being choked up.
Oh, is our first stop? Cool. Stop number 1 for a break, and we're cooling off on a creek. Oh, it's like already probably anywhere between 90 and 100 degrees. It's hot. It's freezing. We're about 1.5 miles in. We have 7.5 to go. We got this. Devil's Corkscrew. Hashtag miserable. So hot. My sprained ankle is bothering me. My knee is bothering me. Although this is miserable, this is beautiful. Oh my god, I'm gonna be up there. Chalet, get in. We made it to the top of Devil's Corkscrew.
We don't know. We think we have.
We think, yeah. We're not really sure. Gotta be close.
Unfortunately, for the second day in a row, we were hiking the hottest part of the trail at the worst time. All I could think about was surviving the heat. More and more, I realized how unprepared I was for this and wished I was. Shade was far few and in between for a while, and the mind game really set in. We were exhausted. Devil's Corkscrew drained us, and tears filled our eyes more than once. Most of the time, we were quiet, focusing on putting one foot in front of the other and fighting the negative thoughts I'm sure all of us were having.
Shoot.
I tried whatever I could to mentally empower myself because all I wanted to do was get out of that canyon. I remember sitting at Indian Gardens close to tears and mentally breaking down. As I looked up at the south rim towering 4,000 feet above us, it took every ounce of energy I had to get up and continue hiking. We all joked around about spending our stimulus checks on a helicopter flight out, but deep down we all meant it.
That girl has and is hiking the Grand Canyon. Look at her. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's not the word. Whoa, 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 whoa. There we go. There we go. There we go. Way down here. Can't wait to get out. Definitely.
We regained morale and focused on small goals like getting to each rest area instead of the 5 miles in elevation we had left.
We sent in here. We got his pack on. Might eat me a cookie.
Along the way, we met a woman who was solo hiking from rim to rim in one day and had started at 2:30 a.m. that morning.
So how did you train for this? Or did you?
Oh, okay.
Are you a pretty avid hiker or no?
Oh, we're all in the same boat. We all did like a little bit of this, a little bit of that until we were ready.
We didn't know. We understood.
I'll tell you, 12 miles on flat ground in North Carolina.
Is nothing compared to 1 mile here.
She chose to finish out the hike with us because it was getting dark and she needed the group morale just as much as we did. We took the switchbacks one at a time, counting down how many we had left to the next mile marker, hiking our way into the night.
We finally made it here. Oh my god.
Not quite.
Not quite, almost. We're at the very end of the trail. I think it's like 10 or 11. I don't know. We've been hiking through the night for like the last 4 hours. We're almost at the end. Oh my god. I could cry.
We're almost there. It's done. It's done. It's done.
We made it, guys. We made it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All those who made it, baby.
Badass.
Yeah.
Badasses. And one batter ass. Yeah.
Right.
Congratulations.
Got the chills. That was tough.
We would have been proud of how we stayed together, and we were a really good team.
Y'all were some serious troopers coming through there.
It's 12:08. Finally just got to our room and I finally got to take a shower. Definitely probably gonna lose a couple of toenails. They're so bruised, so that's great. I feel so good that I'm showered. So the first day of hiking that we did, we kept saying it was 14 miles. It's actually 17 miles. Yay. It just makes so much sense as to why we were struggling and why we were so tired, and nothing beats being in this hotel bedroom right now. I guess tomorrow we're gonna spend a little bit of time around here, and then I don't really know what we're doing. I think we're going to Sedona. I'm going to bed. Bye.
Oh my god. I know. Wow, you can see exactly where we were.
Morning after the hike is finished, we're hobbling to get some mimosas. Yes. I really hope there's mimosas. I feel like you haven't even looked yet. I haven't. I'm trying to just like keep going. I'm focusing on food, coffee, and mimosas. Also kind of mad that I've never been here before.
We got our mimosa fix at the lodge before we had ventured out so I could officially see the Grand Canyon. I walked all through there and through here and back up over there, down there, through there.
We go down in that crack in between there because remember we walked through that line of trees coming up to the camp? So we came up out of that crack and then we devil scorched route down.
All right, now, if you follow that big long crack all the way back there to the green,
Yeah.
do you remember when we were going through like the plainy parts where it felt like we were on a little
Yesterday?
bit of an open plain on Monday?
On Monday.
Right? That's all back in there. And where all those big brown chunks of rock are, all
That's
those
the
places
hot-
we were going back and forth going, it's gotta be around the
That's
bend.
the hot box, right?
Yeah.
Wow. So here you go, Sedona. Here's the Grand Canyon. I'm so glad I can finally see it.